Hey guys, if you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Can I get some water? Hey guys, if you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. You mean, you guys, how's the doings? Okay, my hip English is very bad. Okay, okay. So I wanted to meet. I wanted you guys to meet somebody. Would you guys like? Oh, give it to me. Give it to me. Both. Okay, guys. I wanted you guys to meet Oscar. Okay, this is Oscar, guys, and he's a Persian cat. Say hi to everybody, Oscar. Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hello. Hello, go. Bochu, bochu, hello, bochu. सबको हाय बोलो, हाय हाय बोलो. म्याऊ म्याऊ. नो म्याऊ. तो बहुत म्याऊ म्याऊ करती रहती है, हैं? 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 And this is the one that makes the most amount of problems for me. This is Lucy. Okay. कुछ माइक में बोलो, माइक में. म्याऊ म्याऊ. नहीं, अभी म्याऊ म्याऊ कर रही थी. म्याऊ. No. So this is Lucy, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, she did the meow. Okay, now you go. Okay, so these were the bodyguards of my CEO. Okay, so CEO is not here right now. I will make you guys meet the CEOs as well. Okay, she is an international woman with high standards. So she's a Scottish woman, and yeah, she's so like she's really amazing. Explain about graphic design self-paced. PUBG, which for graphic design you will be learning UI UX, you will be learning Adobe XD, you will be learning Figma, all these tools, and I will suggest you can go with it if you want. We'll be covering everything that is being covered by a ex-mentor at Uber, so you don't have to worry about it. How many cats do you own? Two cats and one dog. Two cats and one dog, guys. Yeah, I am like I own animal husbandry right over here. Okay, we have a lot of animals. I want to get more animals as well. I will definitely do that. Dog named Susie. Her name is Susie, and she is the actual she in actuality, because our company is a non-profit organization, so we can actually do these type of stuff. So Susie is actually our CEO, Chief Entertainment and Chief Eating Officer. So she's officially the CEO of DevTown. That is Susie. She is a golden retriever. Like I said, a Scottish girl. Okay. So today she's not there. I think so. She has went out on her beauty walk. So once she's back, maybe tomorrow, I will make you guys see her as well. Not Suzy. Okay, SUXY. Not no. SUZY. Okay. Okay, guys. So, can we? Okay, so today, what have we learned in our yesterday's class, guys? Today, we are going to start with web animations, the basic of web animations, guys. So, what have we studied in our yesterday's class? Can you guys let me know? What have you studied in our yesterday's class? Can you guys let me know? Please let me know, guys. What have we studied in our yesterday's class? We studied about paragraph tags, good. We studied about linking the HTML and CSS, good. We studied a little bit about CSS as well. We started using it, parents, siblings, and children, good. Pixels, absolute and relative values, amazing, guys. Then we have learned about image, SRC, ALT, good. What is the full form of ALT? Come on, guys, let me know. What is the full form of ALT in the image tag? What is the full form of ALT in the image tag, guys? Come on, let me know. Does AI replace data science, full stack development, and cybersecurity? I am still in job. My friends are still in job. Millions of people are still in job. So it is just going to help you, not replace you. Alternate text. Come on, great guys. Alternate text. Okay, so now we are going to start off with our animations, guys. Okay, we are going to start off with our animations. We are going to learn a basics of animations today. Okay, some basic animations. We're going to make a box move around on our website. That is what we are going to do. Okay, we are going to use CSS. Okay, we are going to use CSS to move a box on our website. Okay, I know this is a very shitty animation, but let's start with the basics. Okay, let's start with the basics. Right, guys, let me know. Okay, I'm going to try something new today. Okay, what is meant by CSS? Were you not there in yesterday's class? Somebody asked me this question. I was very saddened by it. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me open this on the left hand side. Let me open this on the right hand side. Let me try to make this a bit smaller. This is the smallest it can get. Now I'm not able to see any of the live chat. Okay, I'm able to see some of the live. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. Now I'm going to open up our code sandbox, guys, codesandbox.io, and this is where we are going to write our code. We are going to create our very simple, okay, very simple animation using CSS, wherein we are going to make a box move around on our screen. Okay, we are going to make it like bigger, 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 pee. Okay, now that is a wrong song. I should have changed that song. Okay, okay, so we are in our index.html, guys, as you are able to see. We'll open up our website on a new browser so that we are able to have it on a new browser. Let us decrease the size right over here. One more. Increase it right over here. On our website, we are not going to have anything. So let's remove everything, guys. We are just going to have a div tag. Okay, we are just going to have a div tag, guys. Okay. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. We are just going to have a... Have I explained to you guys about div tag? Please do let me know. Have I explained to you guys about div tag? Please do let me know, guys. Please do let me know. Have I explained to you guys about div tag? In this bootcamp. In this bootcamp. I don't remember. So please let me know. In this bootcamp, guys. In... what is the name of the bootcamp? This animation bootcamp. Many people are saying yes. Many people are saying no. Now I'm very confused. No issues. I'll just explain to you guys once again. Okay. So there is this... let's assume... Let's go to my paint. Read everything. Now look into this, guys. Look into this. I'm having two tags right over here. I'm having an h1 tag, something, closing h1 tag. I'm having a p tag, something, closing p tag right over here. Think about this as roti or bread. Think about this as your sabji or curry, okay, or vegetable. Okay, think about it as sabji, curry, or vegetable. Now you're going to school. Okay, you are going to school, guys. At this particular point of time, I'm like, la 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 la. Let's go to school. Okay. Now, will you carry? Okay, will you carry this sabji and roti in your hand, or will you carry it? Okay, why the fuck is it not working? Will you carry it in your hand? In one hand you will be holding the roti, and in one hand you will be holding the sabji, and then going to the school. Or will you just pack that up in a tiffin box? Okay, you want to carry an h1 tag, you want to carry a paragraph tag. Both we will be putting it up inside of our tiffin box. Okay, a box. Okay, a tiffin box, and then carry that to the school. What will you be doing? Will you be holding the roti in one hand and a sabji in one hand and like going to the school like this? Or you will be putting both of them up inside of a tiffin box and then take it to the school, guys. What will you be doing? Please do let me know. Pack that in a tiffin box, right? Pack that in a tiffin box. As simple as that. Containerize them. Containerize them. Similarly, in HTML as well, sometimes when you are having some tags, multiple tags itself, you don't want to put it up directly to your website. You want to containerize them. You want to get a tiffin box and put both the tags inside of a tiffin box itself. Now, putting your roti and putting your sabji doesn't make any changes to the taste, to the color, to the texture of your roti or sabji, guys. Do let me know. Putting your roti or putting your sabji doesn't make any changes to the taste, the color, the texture of your roti and sabji. No, right? It does not make any change. It is used just to containerize them. It is just used just to containerize them. Similarly, we also need another container inside of HTML, which can be used to containerize the h1 and the paragraph tag without changing their properties. The h1 tag should look the exact same way. The paragraph tag should look the exact same way. but we are able to containerize them inside of another tag. That is not changing it in any way. So right over here, that tag is called as the div tag, guys. That tag is called as the div tag, guys. Opening div tag, closing div tag. That is how you are able to containerize the h1 and the paragraph tag inside of another tag. The div tag is just a tiffin box. The div tag is just a tiffin box, guys. It makes no difference. You are just containerizing them. You are just containerizing them. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Guys, I really want to start the animation. Please tell me, yes, sir, we are able to understand it. Okay, amazing. So we'll go back. Where is my chat? Okay, the chat is also there. Good. Now I'm going to create the div tag right over here. An empty div. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Why is my div tag not coming up? Okay, so I'm creating an empty div tag right over here, guys. As you're able to see, this is an empty div tag. It contains nothing. It is empty. Okay, as you're able to see, it's empty, guys. Okay, now the next particular thing is I need to specify some CSS attributes for that. I want to specify some CSS attributes for the div tag. So for that, I will be opening up my styles.css. I'm going to opening up my styles.css. Remove everything. I want to select the div tag. What is the code that I should be writing? I want to select the div tag. What is the code that I should be writing, guys? Please let me know. I want to select the div tag. What is the code that I should be writing? This is the div tag right over here. Yesterday we have seen it. Yes, just write div. Amazing, guys. Very simple, very easy as well. And then, okay, why the fuck am I writing dic, not div? It has happened with me 2 times today. Okay, so div right over here. Now people will be like, sir, speaks less, curses a lot. Okay, no issues in that. So right over here, we are going to fix up a width for the div tag. Okay, we are going to fix up a width, 100 pixels. Want to fix up a height. Okay, 100 pixels again. We are going to fix up the background color. Okay, we want to fix up the back, so with that we are able to see the div tag. Okay, otherwise the div tag is nothing, right? It's a container, it's empty. So we want to fix up a color to that as well. Okay, we want to fix up a color to that as well. Okay, so our background, okay, background will be red in color. Okay, our background will be red in color, guys. So I'm saving this. I'm going back to my website, reloading my page. I'm able to see 100 by 100 pixel box that is having a red color inside of it. Having a 100 by 100 pixel box that is having a red color inside of it, guys. To change the color to red, I've used background should be red. Okay, I'm using background should be red, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Simple, very easy. Width and height, we have seen it yesterday. Today, we have seen a new thing that is background. Now, we are going to see the next new thing that is we are going to change the position. Okay. So, right now, we want to make this box move in weird ways. That is my aim. Okay, I want to make this box move in weird ways. Now, in this weird ways, I will be making sure that, okay, the box moves from the left hand side to the right hand side. The box moves from the top to the bottom of the website itself. So I want to do all these things. Now, all these things are basically relative to the size of my browser, right, guys? All these things that I want to do, I want the box to move from left to right. I want the box to move from top to bottom. I want the box to move slowly, fastly. Okay, what over these type of things are, that is going to be relative to the top, bottom, left, right of our website, right, guys? So the position of this box needs to be relative to our web browser itself. The position of this box will be relative. So currently the box is 10 pixels to the left of our website. So that is relative to the size of the browser, right? So the position of the box will be relative in nature. Are you guys able to understand it? The position of the box is going to be relative in nature, guys. So I'm going to write position relative. Okay, relative. I wanted to write relative. It went red. So I'm writing that the position of this particular box will be relative to our browser itself. Now, if you guys have understood this much, we can start off with our very first fucked up animation, guys. Are you ready for that? We can start with our very first fucked up animation, guys. If you have understood this is very important to understand. Now, what do we want to do? What do we want to do? We want to make animations. We want to make animation. So we are going to write animation. Okay, we're going to write animation. Okay, we're going to remove everything. We don't want anything right over here. Just remove everything from here. Just too much for you guys as well. Okay, now we are going to name our animation, guys. What name should we give to our animation? What name should we give to our animation, guys? Do let me know. What name should I give to my animation, guys? Please do let me know. Come on, man. Come up with some innovative names, man. Innovative names. Okay, we say my name is also not very innovative. I was going to name it as DevTown, but yeah. What is the name, guys? Okay, so somebody is asking for Oscar, Naruto, Suzy, Lucy, Doraemon. Okay, it's a shit, Doraemon. Okay, Vincenzo. Okay, that is the first time I'm hearing a name like that. That is really very innovative, I guess. Okay, let's name it as DevTown because I wanted to name it as DevTown. I thought somebody will be telling me to name it as DevTown. Nobody did that. You're so bad, man. Okay, I'm not going to teach you anymore. DevTown. Okay, so I will name it as DevTown because my boot camp. I will name it as DevTown. Okay, so I've named it as DevTown, guys. Now, please try to understand it. Okay, please try to understand it that how does an animation work? Okay, plus first we need to understand that. So you have something called as frames, guys. Okay, you have something called as frames. Okay, have you guys ever seen a movie? Have you guys ever seen a movie, guys? Please do let me know. Have you guys ever seen a movie? So usually have you heard about this particular stuff that this movie is shot in 24 FPS? Okay, this movie is 60 FPS. Okay, when you're going into your camera of your mobile, if you go to your camera of your mobile itself, it gives you, when you go into video recording, it gives you 30 FPS, 60 FPS option, HD, 4K, okay, 120 FPS. Okay, all these options are available to you guys, right? All these options are available to you guys. So that is number of frames per second. Okay, number of frames per second, guys. Now, what is a video? Try to understand this. What is a video, guys? A video basically means a series of images next to it. Okay. So you are having 24 images. So if I'm saying that, okay, this video or this movie is 24 FPS, frames per second. That means there are 24 images per second. Okay, per second that are being combined and then played for you guys. So you are 24 images are being shown to you in just 1 minute. So you feel as if they're all interconnected and you are able to watch them as a movie. You are able to watch them as a movie itself, as a video. Okay, so that is the use of frames. So videos are nothing else but images. Videos are nothing else but images, guys. Now, for example, if I am having, let me write it down right over here. If I'm having the first frame, if I'm telling that, okay, this is the first frame, 1F, okay, first frame. This is my 24th frame. Okay, if I'm telling CSS that, okay, in the first frame, my box is located right over here. In the 24th frame, okay, my box is located right over here. And what happens during this particular point of time is that you have to decide. Okay, so these are called as keyframes. Okay, these are called as keyframe. This is the first keyframe. This is the second keyframe. Because what is the keyframe, guys? What decides the initial and the final position during a animation? That is called as a keyframe. The initial and the final position, any position that you want the object to be at during the animation, that is called as the keyframe. So I'm going to tell CSS that this is the first keyframe, this is the last keyframe. Now after that, it is the job of CSS to identify what to do. It is the job of CSS to identify what to do. So keyframes. So frames are basically every picture is called as a frame in a video. All the pictures, 24 FPS, all the pictures are called as your frames. your initial position and the final position that you want to specify during the animation is called as a keyframe. It's called as a keyframe, and that keyframe is what we're going to provide to the CSS, and the CSS is going to make the animation for you. Are you guys able to understand this or not? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this or not, guys? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this or not, guys? Please do let me know, guys. Good. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our code. We're going to create @keyframes. Okay. @keyframes. Okay. What is the name of these keyframes? DevTown. Okay. DevTown. That is the name of the keyframes that I want to produce. Okay. And then I'm going to write the positions of the keyframes, guys. I'm going to write the positions of the keyframe, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write from. Okay. Where it is going to start from. Then I'm going to write left 0 pixels. Okay. And then I'm going to write 2 left, let's assume 200 pixels. So that is the animation that I'm creating right over here. What I'm saying is, please try to understand this, that I'm saying that initially from where this animation start, what is my first keyframe? It starts from left. If this is your website, guys, if this is your website, okay, initially I'm saying if this is your website, let me just use another color, Control A, Pachak, and then this. If this is my website initially, I'm asking that my box, red color box, will start from the left hand side from 0 pixels. Okay, so my box will be present right over here. From left hand side, the distance is 0 pixels, guys. And then my final position 2 from this. Okay, this is my from, F-R-O-M, from. That is left 0 pixels. That is what I'm suggesting right over here. And then I'm writing 2. Where should it end at? Left. And then 200 pixels. Okay, 200 pixels right over here. So I'm going to draw my box. Okay, I'm going to draw my box. This is my website. So from left, it is going to be located at 200 pixels. So this is where it will be present. Okay, this is where my box will be present, and this will be 200 pixels, guys. This will be 200 pixels. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. So these are my keyframes. Okay. The first position, this is my first keyframe. The first photo that is going to be there, that I want my box to be situated right over here during my animation as my first picture. This is my second keyframe, or the end keyframe, guys. This is where I want my box to be at the last image of my animation. In the middle, all the frames will be filled. All the other images will be filled via your CSS itself directly. Okay, via your CSS itself directly, guys. So that we have done right over here. Now we can go back. The next thing that we want to specify right over here, guys. The next thing that we want to specify right over here is that, okay, how much time, okay, this animation should go on for. This animation should be of 1 second. This animation should be of 3 seconds. This animation should be of 5 seconds, 10 seconds. How many seconds the animation this should be for? Karthik, are seats still remaining in the training? Yes, Karthik, for full stack development, 20 seats are there. You don't have to worry about it. Like I said, guys, for how many seconds this animation should be? Can you guys suggest how many seconds should I keep the animation for? Let's keep it at 3 seconds, guys. Let's keep it at 3 seconds. Will that be fine, guys? Please do let me know. 3 seconds of animation. Will that be fine? Please do let me know, guys. 3 seconds of animation. Now, how many times do you want this animation to happen? How many times do you want this animation to happen, guys? Because we want to see the animation, and because there's the internet problems and everything, let us keep it as infinite number of times. So every time this animation happens, it should go on for infinite number of time, guys. It should go on for infinite number of times so that we are able to see the animation itself. So infinite. Okay, you're going to save this. You're going to save this. As you're able to see, I've saved this as well. So I've created my keyframes. I've created my animation that will be of 3 minutes and will go on for infinite amount of time. Okay, 3 till I close my browser. Okay, so now I've done that. Let's see if it worked or not. Let's see if it worked or not, guys. Okay, so are you guys able to see this animation? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this animation, guys? Please do let me know. So we have created our very first animation, guys. We have created our very first animation, guys. Are you guys happy? First animation of your life. A simple shit ass, bitch ass, punk ass, puny ass animation we have created right over here. Okay, people are like, oh fuck. Okay. Yeah, it's good, but like we can do better animations than this actually. Okay. So but yeah, for a starting animation, this is okayish. Okay, this is something that we can start off from. We want to learn as much as possible, guys. Our aim is to learn as much as possible. The more that we are able to learn, the better shit, like the better animations we will be able to create, right? The better animations we will be able to create. We want to learn as much as possible, guys. So now we can change it. So for example, right over here, we have done it from left to right, right? From left 0 to 200. Okay, we can do it from top to bottom as well. So change it to top. Okay, top 0 pixels, top 200 pixels, guys. Okay, we have changed it from top 0 pixels to from top it should be 200 pixels. So this animation will be like this. This animation will be like this, guys. From top 0 pixels to 200 pixels. Okay, top to bottom. So let us save this. Let us save this. Let us see our new animation, guys. So let us reload this. As you are able to see right over here, now our animation is going from top to bottom. Now our animation is going from top to bottom, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. I'm trying to create very simple things for you guys so that you guys are able to easily understand it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Great. So now let us try to create it in a circular direction, guys. Shall we do that? Let's try to create it in a circular direction. Shall we do that, guys? Please let me know. Let's create it in a circular direction, guys. Shall we do that? Let's do that, guys. I know it will be very simple. You guys are very, very, very like intelligent beings. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys another method of doing this. At 0%, okay, of your animation, that is at the start of your animation. At 0% of your animation, that is the start of our animation, we want the background. Okay. We want our background to be red in color. We want our background to be red in color, guys. From left, we want it to be 0 pixels. From left, we want it to be 0 pixels. From top, we want it to be 0 pixels, guys. From top, we want it to be 0 pixels. Okay, this is the first line of code that I'm writing at 0 time. So what we want to do, let us see that first. Let us delete everything. Let's create a smaller version of this. Okay, I want to make it go in a circular manner. Not in a circular manner, actually. I wanted to make it like a circle, like a square itself. So this is our initial keyframe, guys. At 0% of the time, that is at the first frame itself, it should be 0 from top, 0 pixels from top, 0 pixels from here, right? When it goes to the next frame, okay, when it goes to the next frame, I want it to change its color as well. I want it to be green in color. Okay, yeah, any color that we want. Okay, let's change it to green in color. Let's assume. So right over here, we want it to be green in color, and it should have shifted. It should have shifted to the left will be left. Left will be your 200 pixels, right? 200 pixels. Top will still be 0 pixels, and our color will be red. That is at 25% framework. Then you are having the next screen. Then you are having the next screen right over here. It should go down, and we'll change the color to yellow. We'll change our color to yellow. Right over here, our box will be here. I'm able to understand that you guys are not able to see the box properly, so I'm just trying to color it a little bit if you guys are able to see it. Okay, so from top it will be 200 pixels, right? From top it will be 200 pixels. From left, it will be 200 pixels. This will be at 50th percent. Right, guys? This will be at 50th percent. Then you are having a 75% that you're going to build, right? This will be a 75%. 75%. Your box will be, let's assume, blue in color. Let's assume the box will be of blue in color, guys. Your left will be 0 pixels. Your top will be 200 pixels. Okay. So you're having 0%, 25%, 50%, 75% as the keyframes of your animation. And this is what I want to write right over there, guys. This is what I want to write right over there, guys. So 0%, we have already made it, right? 0%, we have already done it. Very simple, very easy to do, right? 920 people are watching, but only 169 likes. Why? Sumit, I also have the same question. Why? Why, guys? Are you not able to understand it? Are you not loving it? If you're not loving it, it's fine. It's fine. No issues. Okay. 25%, guys. So at 25%, what are we going to do? We are going to change the background color to green. Okay, so background to green, guys. Okay, the next thing that we want to do, left. Okay, what is left, guys? Left is 200 pixels. Okay, from left, we are going to have 200 pixels, guys. 200 pixels. Okay, the next we are going to have top. Top will still be 0 pixels, right, guys? Top will still be 0 pixels. Okay, next we are going to have 50%. At 50%, we want the background to be yellow. The background to be yellow. Okay, we want left. We want left to be how much? We want left to be 200 pixels, guys. 200 pixels. And we want top to be also 200 pixels, guys. Top to be 200 pixels. Then for 75%, okay, for 75%, we want to have background. Okay, by mistake, I've written background color. It should be just background, guys. Okay, for your next particular thing, your background should be blue in color. Then you are going to have your left at 0 pixels, guys. And then your top as 200 pixels. Okay. So this is what I've created right over here, guys. This is what I've created. Background left top, background left top, background left top. Why not 100%? Because at 100% it is basically equivalent to 0%. Okay. At 100% we want it to be back at 0, right? So why to create that? It will automatically take it right over there. It will automatically take it right over there, guys. We're going to save it. We are going to save it, guys. If you want, you can put it up the 100% as well, just the 100% as well. So 100% is basically going back to the original position. Okay, so original position, we want it to be the exact same. So we are just going to copy it, Control C and Control V right over here. So background will be red at 100%. Top will be 0 pixels. Left will be 0 pixels. We'll be saving this right over here. We'll be going back to our website, reloading our page. As you're able to see, this is working, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Do you guys like how it is moving by changing the color? Should we change something else as well in this? Let us make it the life cycle of my life. Okay, let us make this the life cycle of my life. At first, I was very thin. I'm going to make width. At first, I was thin and short. Okay, so my width is like somewhere around 50 pixels. Okay, my height is somewhere around, let's assume, 100 pixels. Okay, I am thin, I am short. Okay, I'm thin and I'm short. Let us change this upstairs as well. Control C, Control V. This is the starting position, guys. Control C, Control V. Width and height. Okay, so initially I was short and I was thin. Okay, next I became thin and long, guys. I became thin and long. So let us change it to 50 pixels actually. Let's short and thin. So let us, okay, this is proper. That, not 100 pixels, man. Let's change it to 25 pixels. Okay, width will be 25 pixels. I am thin and my height is also short. So 50 pixels will be my height. Okay, 50 pixels will be my height, guys. Okay, I'll be copying this. I'll be pasting it here. That is my initial position. That is my initial position itself. Okay, then I became thin, but my height increased. Okay, I became thin, but my height increased, guys. So my height now became 100 pixels. Okay, my height became 100 pixels, but I was thin. Then I became fat and tall. Then I became fat and tall, guys. So I'm like 100 pixels by 100 pixels. I'm fat and tall, guys. Then I became a little bit thin. Okay, let's make us a little bit thin, guys. Let's see, 70. Let's make it as 50 pixels. Okay, sorry. Let us make it as fat and tall. Let us create it as, I will still remain tall, of course, but I am now thin. Okay, let's make me thin. Okay, and then at the last 100%, let us keep as the original itself. Save it right over here. Go back to our website, reload our page. Now this is our new animation, guys. As you're able to see, the size of my stuff is also increasing and decreasing. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. The size of my device is also increasing and decreasing. I can change the duration, time duration. Let's increase it to 5 seconds, guys. Let's increase it to 5 seconds. Let's go back. Let's reload our page. Now it will take us 5 seconds to complete the entire animation, guys. It will take us 5 seconds to complete the entire animation. Okay, Balakrishna, sir, please explain percentage concept right over here. So keyframe. So your animation is 100%. Okay, whatever 5 seconds of your animation, that is your 100% of your animation. 100% animation itself. So at the 0th keyframe, the first keyframe, 0% of your entire animation. That is, these are the things that should happen. Okay, at 25%, 1/4 of your animation, guys. At 1/4 of your animation, this is what should happen. At 50th percent, okay, that is your 50%, that is half of your animation time, what should happen? And then at 75%, what should happen? Then at 100%, what should happen, guys? At 100%, what should happen? What if you don't want to be infinite? So let's assume I want the animation to play for 3 times. I want the animation to play for 3 times itself. Okay, I want the animation to play for 3 times itself. So just change this infinite to 3. The number of times you want this animation to happen. The number of times you want this animation to happen, guys, I will change it to 3. I want it to happen only for 3 times and then it should stop. So let us save this. Let us go back to my website, reload my page. As you're able to see, first animation, guys, this is the first animation. This is the second animation, guys. Second animation right over here. This is the third animation, guys. Third animation that is happening right over here. And now my animation won't be happening. This is happening only for 3 times itself. Sneha, please repeat this concept. Sneha, the entire concept, as we have already completed our entire class. So if you are asking me to repeat the entire class, that is just hectic for me. Just rewatch the entire class once again if you are not able to understand it. What is the max time for animation? Infinite. I just showed you right over there. We had infinite time. Okay. Okay, so that is one of the things, guys. The next thing that we want to do is animation delay. Okay, I want the animations to start after 2 seconds. I don't want it to start immediately. I want it to start after 2 seconds, guys. Are you guys able to understand what I'm saying? Please do let me know. I want the animation to start after 2 seconds. So I can write right over here. Okay, animation delay. Okay, animation delay is 2 seconds. Okay, animation delay is 2 seconds, guys. So now I've set up my animation delay. Now my animation will start after 2 seconds. My animation will start after 2 seconds, guys. So I'm delaying the animation. So if I'm right over here, if I just reload it, 1, 2, now my animation is starting. Okay, So after 2 seconds, my animation is starting, guys. What about if I want the animation to play as if 2 seconds of animation has already been done? Okay, if I want my animation to start as if 2 seconds of the animation is already done, guys. Why 2 seconds delay? Because I want to. I'm teaching you. Okay, that is one of the additional features that is there. And I can delay the animation by 2 seconds. That is the reason why. Now, if I want the animation to start as if 2 seconds of the animation has already started. Okay, I want the animation to start after 2 seconds. That means that 2 seconds of the animation has already been done. Okay, already been done for us. So for that, what I can do is I can put up animation delay as negative 2 seconds. Okay, animation delay as negative 2 seconds. What if after 2 minutes? 2 minutes is 120 seconds. Just write 120 seconds right over there. As simple as that. Like I said, guys, if I want the animation to start as if 2 seconds of the animation is already done. Okay, already done. That is 2/5 of the animation has already been done. I want to start it from the after 2 seconds itself. So what is happening right over here? If I'm saving this, if I'm going back to my website, reloading my page, it will look as if 2 seconds of the animation has already done. The animation just started. As you're able to see, the animation started at the time of 2 seconds of the animation. As you're able to see, directly from yellow it is starting. Directly from yellow it is starting. Oh, okay. Understand means it depends on us. Yes, it depends on us. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. 2 seconds of the animation is already done. Great. So we'll keep today's class up till here. Some basics. I want you guys to practice everything that I've taught you guys today. I want you guys to practice everything that I've taught you guys today. This is a very important concept, guys. Very, very, very important concept. This video is available for you guys for lifetime access. Practice whatever I have taught today, guys. Otherwise, you won't remember anything. Coming to this particular bootcamp is of no use to you. So please make sure that when you are here in the class, whatever you have learned today, practice it out today. Practice it out today, guys. So I'm giving you guys the attendance link for today, guys. I'm giving you guys the attendance link for today. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Animation delay will pause the animation for you guys for 2 seconds. Animation delay will pause the animation for you guys for 2 seconds. That is what we saw right over there. So I've given you guys the attendance link for today, guys. The attendance link will be open up till 8:52. Okay, the 9:52, guys. Okay, attendance link will be open till 9:52, guys. Please fill out your attendance link. Attendance will be open till 9:52, guys. Please fill out your attendance link. We'll be meeting tomorrow again at 9 o'clock. Please make sure that you are there in the class, guys. I will continue from right over there. It was an amazing class with you guys. I hope that we'll be able to have such amazing class with you guys even further on. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.